So this one right here, I think I'd like to use a calculator. And so I know what I want to borrow at 3% for 3 years. So which formula do I want? I need to know the payment. I know the borrow amount. So that's the last formula here we're going to apply. So first I'm going to write down the formula and then what I know. So I want to calculate my payment D, knowing the initial amount. So that's going to be the R over K divided by 1 minus parentheses 1 plus. Hopefully you're starting to get used to this. Since this is a loan, it's a negative power, right? Kn, close, close. I know that my initial amount, P0, is 32,000. I know the rate is 3/100. I know I'm making monthly payments 12 times per year, and that's going to be for 3 years. So my payment's got to come from this formula, 32,000 times 0.03 over 12 over parentheses 1 minus 1 plus 3/100 over 12 months. Power goes negative 12 times 3. Could type 36 instead if you want, but it's got to be negative. Oops, parentheses, parentheses. And I do think it's worthwhile to type that, to write it, to be sure you're using the calculator correctly. 32, is that right? Percent, 3 years, okay. Parentheses 1 minus, parentheses 1 plus, 3/100, 3% over 12, close parentheses, do your power, got to have parentheses for the power, and it's got to be negative because it's a loan, 12 times 3, close, close, which Desmos already did with those shadow parentheses. So this says my payment would be over 3 years, $930.60. Per month. We really want that car for 3 years at 3%. So if that is more than I can afford and I really want that car, I could say, well, we could try for 5 years and see what it's like. Now, if you extend it for 5 years, you get a lower monthly payment, but you pay more interest over time. Right? So there's always that consideration.